Hey everybody, how you doing? Peter, aka Joseph Von Schmidt, Wrestling with Stocks. Today we're going to go over how do you know you paid a good price for the stock that you purchase. All right, everybody, what's called the VWAP, it's a VWAP, it's volume weight average price. Really simple what you do. It's usually measured over a certain period of time. Let's just take an hour. It's measured, and I'm going to use some simple numbers. ABC stock. There's three people who bought ABC stock. One person purchased 100 shares for $10, and then the second person bought 300 shares for $8. And then the second person bought 200 shares for $11. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to take the volume, which is 100, 300, 200, which equals 600. And then we're going to take the prices. It was, what did I say? It was 10, 8, and 11. So what we're going to do is going to add up those stocks. That's going to be 600 shares, which is the volume. The price is 8 plus 10 plus 11 is 29. Divide that by 3. The average price should be around 965, 966. Okay, so now you're going to compare that to what the purchases were. So the purchases of 100 shares at $10 is about 40 or 34 cents, 34 cents above what the average price is for that hour. The $8 one, putting what the math that we have together, they made a good buy. They're already up a dollar, let's see, 8, 9, 66, 65. They're already up $1.66 per share, and the person who spent $11 per share is actually down. So with this, you can go on your chart. You could just look at the inflow, outflow. One of the places I really like, Webull. You can find all the charts right there on that site. If you don't have a platform to trade, if you're not familiar with Webull, I'm going to put a link in the description below. You can go right on there. You can check it out. But the VWAP, the volume weight average price of a stock, is actually very useful if you're going to be a day trader, knowing where you got a good price and where you can sell it to make profit. It kind of takes a little bit of the guessing out. It takes a little bit of time to figure this out. But again, how do you know you paid the right price for a stock, or you got a great deal on that stock that you bought? You can figure it out right here. For me, I'm a proponent of holding it long term, so I'm really not trying to weigh it out. But if you do want to day trade, which I'm not really into, if I do it, it's a little bit here and there. If I'm buying something long term and then it just shoots to the sky, and I know it's going to drop down, then I'll sell it, and then I'll wait for it to pull back to buy more, and I'll just kind of make an educated guess. None of us really know the perfect time to buy a stock. What's the absolute bottom to buy and the absolute top to sell? But the VWAP, volume weight average price, is going to give us a good indicator of where we're at when we buy that stock. All right, again, Peter, aka Joseph Von Schmidt, Wrestling with Stocks. If you found this video helpful in any way, give it a like, give it a subscribe. Check out the description below. Get some free stocks. Get me a stock. Awesome. Appreciate you. Till next time, we'll see you.